Are you chasing a career or just a carrier? Confusion, right? Let me break in just 30 seconds. Career means your job or profession. For example, she is building her career in psychology. Carrier means something that carries, like a vehicle, virus, or a delivery guy. For example, that truck is a goods carrier. Quick trip, if it is about your dream, job, or your future, it's a career. Or if it is carries something, it's a carrier. Comment your dream career below and follow for more English clarity. Thank you.